It's formerly known as Justin Rutz, but now you're going to be known as JR.
Rich, so the first person you say hello to is Ant.
Obviously.
Is it just because you are DR mates, is it? Doctors.
Stay together.
I tell you what, there's a lovely blue sky behind you guys, it's fantastic.
It is.
Hang on, Richard, need some more on there. Just a few more, but more. Brand new boots, look at that. You've been grassed up by the green bikes over there. JR, living up to your name. Was it in the ruts or not?
I was on top of a rut.
Yeah.
I wiggled and wiggled, I tried quite hard and then it fell over.
It just fell over?
Yeah, all by itself. Nothing to do with me.
Well, Derek over there, he's got one of the Kawasaki's, one of the green bikes. Still runs on petrol, but it's one of the green bikes. Says give you some sticks, he's on slicks, he's got no tread.
Oh.
And, you got your Miley Cyruses there.
Oh dear.
And you still managed to ditch it. Oh, mate. Right. Look at a bit dirty there, mate.
Just the top, yeah.
Yeah, a few puddles. Yeah. All good fun.
All good fun.
Good.
Got myself sink in the middle of one of them and I thought, well, I'll keep going. Otherwise you get a spade out.
Get the spade out. And you enjoyed it, bud? Good. So Ash,
Yeah.
handlebar's been down.
Yes.
Yeah. First one of the day.
Yes.
Cracking.
Not the last, no doubt.
Definitely not the last.
Yeah, I'll be the second down.
I'm pretty there. Look at that. But you're all right. No injuries. No nothing. Boots are fucking dirty.
Dirty,
there.
that's what it's for.
Look, let's have a look at that side. Look. Thank you, mate. Well done. I did, yeah. How's the Miley Cyrus coping?
It's taking a bit of a beating today, mate.
Does it?
Yeah.
So the nipples are not so erect as what they were.
A little bit too much road, but I've been trying to go slow, but it's rounded them.
Oh dear. It can't be a round nipple though.
Yeah.
Is it necessary to get the camera out every time I have a bit of an issue or a slightest problem, mate?
Guess who crashed you up? Guess who crashed you up though?
Rich, mate, your stands down, fucking... There's no need for helpful people, is there?
I won't help you again.
Let's face it.
I'll just let you dig it in the dirt.
I'm going to fall off, I'll fall off by myself. All right?
Yeah. But I couldn't stop laughing.
Jace, what's going on, mate?
We got a puncture.
We?
Yeah, I got a puncture.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, apparently
So-
tore the valve out of the wheel.
Was this because you were riding like a hooligan?
No,
Were you not?
no, not at all.
Because I was taking it steady and I haven't pulled the valve out of mine.
No, I know, but yeah. Well, like, top men on the job. This is where you bring mechanics on bike rides.
So a close up. He's doing a proper job, mate. That won't
Mr.
let you
Webber
down
holding the bike up there. Look, he's been there 10 minutes holding the bike up. The stick broke.
there. Doing a fine job. Well, so we don't mind waiting, Jace. So it's nice to have a breather, mate.
Sorry, chap. Sorry. Right, Ant, you conquered Ant Hill.
I did a conk ant hill.
Didn't fall off.
Not this time.
Cracking job, mate. Cracking job. So that's it. Sorted, isn't it?
That's it, done and dusted.
Stop, spot on. JR. Just the one off.
Only the one.
Just-
Only the one.
Cool, cool. Now a long journey back home, guys, isn't it?
Yeah, 3 hours. Not
Yeah.
too bad.
Fair
Worth
play.
it though.
Worth it. Good day.
Worth it. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, lovely weather.
Perfect day, perfect conditions.
Yeah, ideal.
Cracking.
Spot on, guys. Cheers.